Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing kind of like a first impressions unboxing review of everything I got during the Prime's early access sale. I'll have everything linked down below. You can also check out my Amazon shop. I've been doing new categories and I'm already updating all my gift guides, so if you're shopping early, definitely check that out if you haven't already. I got so many good things. So many things are still surprisingly on sale or discounted, so I'm so excited to share everything with y'all today. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already as well, because I've been posting a lot of like short form video content over there with my Amazon favorites and things like that, and I'll always let you know about flash deals over there. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. So this is a cup holder and it also has like this little thing right here. It's silicone and it has weighted sides, so it actually doesn't move around on your armrest. I do love it. I've been using it since we got it. I think the weighted sides is genius because it really helps nothing slip and slide and move around, and I love the fact that I can just put it on my armrest and it looks really nice. So it would be an amazing gift. And I got a new kitchen runner that's also washable. I just checked 5 minutes ago and it's currently on sale still for $68. Olivia already got fruit pouch on it, so I'm gonna wash it right now. I was supposed to say I'm gonna shower right now. I'm gonna wash it and show you guys what it looks like after. You just do a gentle cycle with one Tide Pod and it comes out looking brand new. I have two of these from that brand that are way cheaper than Ruggable. I almost considered buying a Ruggable because they were 20% off and they were still double or triple the price, so I couldn't justify that. This one is a 2x12. It's huge, as you can probably see, and it's so pretty. It comes in different sizes too, so if you want a washable rug, this brand is really good. Okay, let's discuss what I'm wearing right now, because I don't think I've been obsessed with an Amazon clothing find in a hot minute, and now I want to get every single color. So this is a set, but you buy the pieces separately, and it's a super nice, this feels so luxe, nice and oversized. It has a slit in the back. I got all pieces in an extra small because the number one thing I kept seeing on reviews is that it ran super large. This is an extra small and I'm 4'11" for reference, and I feel like usually sleeves are pretty big and long on me, and this one fits me almost perfectly. So, and I got the shorts because I live in Houston and it's extremely hot right now. Saw that they had a chocolate brown, which is the color that I'm wearing, and I picked it up in the pants version, and do not worry, I will show you what it looks like on. Okay, so here's the brown set. This is what the long pants look like. So for reference, I'm 4'11", and I'm sure you can adjust the length depending on how high you wear it, but they actually fit me. They're not like extremely long or anything, so they might be more of like a crop pant depending on your height, but I love them. I will say they're not like the most flattering pants. They definitely show everything, so I do love how the sweater covers that, and the pants are a little thinner. The sweater is like an actual knit rib. I've been wearing this all day. And here's the green one. I am obsessed with this color. I think it's so pretty. Same idea. This one, the fabric of the shorts completely matches the sweater. On the shorter side, because I have them like super high rise, so if you want something a little bit longer, a little bit looser, maybe stay true to size, I would usually wear probably a small. So comfy, love these, and you could totally wear the sweaters, like mix and match them, dress them up. They're super nice quality. We have a very awkward size master bathroom, so I wanted to optimize our storage and I wanted to get an over the toilet cabinet. As you can see, it's a little too close to a toilet. Did I mess up the measurements? Slightly. I highly recommend measuring, first of all, your door frame to make sure you can actually fit it in there, the width of your toilet, height of your toilet, and then like the actual height of everything else. It really freed up so much space in our bathroom sink cabinet, and now we have like essentials here, some extra storage, you know, like tampons, things like that when I need them, and a little bit of toilet paper. And this was 40 bucks, which is such a steal. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, and it was on sale for $11. So this is the Lanesh Glowy lip balm. So it is very glossy. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. The shades and the scents or the flavors are different. So I got the peach. They also have grapefruit. They have a gummy bear one, which I'm super curious to try now. Really nice, very lightweight. It really reminds me of the little pot version that they sell, and I love how compact it is. But I love this packaging. I hate having to dig my finger into a pot to apply any sort of lip balm on the go. I got these really cool flameless candlesticks. These are actual yellow white light, and they flicker, which is really cool. You can do different kinds, and I will show you guys what it looks like at night. They're so nice. I have them in these candlesticks that I also get from Amazon, and they're just so pretty. I have them on top of a book, and they look adorable. Perfect for fall, Halloween, this time of year. Very cozy vibe, and you don't have to worry about burning your house down. This right here is probably one of my top Amazon finds of all time. I was really struggling to organize all these gift bags that we've gotten, but most importantly, all of our wrapping paper. So I found this hanging storage organizer for wrapping papers or gifting supplies. You can really put so many different things here, and it's less than 20 bucks. Hang it over the door or on a closet, like any rack would work. It has so many little compartments for different size bags and things like that. I freaking love this thing so much. If you have as many supplies as we do, I highly recommend. I also decided to treat myself to the Beats by Kim K. I don't really care much about the Kardashians or anything, but I wanted the color, and y'all, these are really noise canceling. They're so nice. Probably the nicest pair of earbuds I've had, and I just love them so much. I think they're still on sale, so in like 2 different nude colors. I think the medium tone one sold out. This is the lightest one. It's like a really pretty like mauvey light pink, and I love it. And like most importantly, not just the aesthetic, the quality of the audio is really good. Okay, I saw a TikTok of this superwoman organizing her fridge after going to Costco, and I saw that she had these drawers and she would put all kinds of things in them, and I was like, you know what, I need that. I can't believe I've never had that. So I picked up the cheapest ones that I could find, because surprisingly these are super expensive. Don't ask me why. And I got this 2-pack for $27. They're stackable, they're really nice. They come in different sizes depending on your needs and your fridge dimensions. I will say my only but biggest gripe with it is the fact that the handle is down. And I looked it up, this is how it's supposed to be, and they just open like this. It bothers me ever so slightly, but I will still keep them because I will not spend $80 on ones that have the handle up here. Store fruits, they come with this little thing to make them last longer. I think this is such a cool organization find, but I love it. I think I'm gonna order the extra large. What was that? That was not English. The extra large ones, or the large ones to organize bigger things, but I'm really impressed. I really love it, and it frees up a ton of space in the fridge without, you know, taking up too much room, which is my favorite. I also got these acrylic floating shelves. Initially I got them for the bathroom. As you can see, they are very large, but I got 4 for $40, which is such a steal because these are definitely a Pottery Barn dupe. And I will do a little video organizing my bathroom, maybe a vlog, so I will let you guys know, but these would be perfect for a nursery. I think this is a great little bookshelf. I also picked up a toddler helping tower for Olivia. She is 14 months right now, and honestly she doesn't really like it so far. She likes the idea of getting like on that step, but once she's up there it takes like 2 minutes and she wants to get down, and it's a little dangerous because she doesn't really know how to get up and down yet. So I would say it's probably not for her age range just yet, but I got it on sale. I thought I might as well just get it now rather than just like later once she actually will use it. But you know, if you're looking for something similar, I think this one's pretty good quality, but it did take my husband a hot minute to put together. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you need help shopping for. Did you start Christmas shopping yet? When are you decorating for the holidays? Would love to know that. And let me know kind of like your budget, your price point. I do a ton of gift guides basically starting in November, and I do all kinds of different price points, all kinds of like functional gifts for everyone in your life. So if you're new here, stay tuned, subscribe. It's a really good time to subscribe to my channel because I have giveaways, I have gift guides, I have so many Amazon recommendations coming, so stay tuned for that. I will talk to you guys very, very soon in my next one. Yeah, I guess I forgot my outro. That is the last thing I say. Anyway, thank you guys. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.